Guys, here we I China no testimony I China no here. Continue. Thank you so much.
Come and finish your section. And say for now they go more okay because now if Melu, I have to go register was that I was kind of mentally broken and it was affecting my business. So I knew that I needed to be strong to go ahead with business, you know. So he helped from Kamputa from it. Ibuyezie m uche. What I give m uche, not only just na ibuyem the mind to live. Ibuyezie m uche too for my business, how to do well, how to be me and everything. So imali female mana mam never get anything in that to like pay the back, but not na ya gozi because imagine many people email such thing that they will not even come out, like you know.
Amira so, mepe camera gi Amira ombutu gi Amira.
Chukuna gozie gi, chukuna straighten gi and give you a teacher beginning ne chukuna melody and nke tom nke nwoke ọ na-anọkwa ebe a all the time. So mgbe ọbụla m bịa life nse bịa ka anyị gaba chọọchị. So all the church program because na ya nwa n'onwe ya ịma na ya nwa n'onwe ya ọ nọgo street Thursday from street watago.
Okay.
So mgbe ọbụla mkpọ ya nsị ọ bụ na ọ chọrọ ịfụ my message nsị ya mkpọ ya nsị bịa online chọọchị ebidogo. So
Gwandi mmadụ ebe wụ church or program wụ church.
All this program bụ church na ịmatala maka na ya akwụwabe tight. Very soon na ya akwụba tight watago. So it's not just about you trying to use your life to educate us. It's like you are speaking to every young person out there in a kawalai with your onwegi or what if they can with their own self as an example. It's a whole lot. And then the most important thing in email that like if we're going how to build contact, how to keep contact. Ikawalam that no very good. Igafeche ibawa the bridge because he not take us sometimes to that bridge water. So God will gozie gi melody feni na acho and Israel ebe anyị nọkwa. God will protect and keep you safe.
Amen.
Thank you so much. Ndị ba ekene m unu. Biko nụ na support this nwanne m. Chukwu gozie unu.
Thank you. Okay, thank you so much. Thank you. Bonnie Bell, all the shy, a shy girl. Let me just come touch at this thing.